God.
See, Christy and I really are kindred spirits.
I was gonna say, if y'all are incapacitated.
And why is that, Emily?
Because we have
like
so
to
many. And we can belch like a man.
Nobody
Oh, my stomach.
Nobody wants to see this.
Are you sure about that?
I gotta breathe.
Action! Whoa! I'd work one up, but I'm afraid I would throw up in the process.
Do it.
No, seriously, I'm afraid I would throw up.
Just try and see what happens.
Oh, I have to lay down.
Okay.
You do?
Oh, she's got this down to a science.
I broke my sunglasses.
I can't say I'm surprised,
I don't
Emily.
think I should do that, though.
Do it.
No, because you already have incriminating pictures. I don't know that we need incriminating photographs.
Do it.
What's the difference?
Hey. This process is unbelievable. You can't do that.
Focus.
Oh,
This takes serious concentration. Yeah, see
I
the
don't think
serious.
I'm gonna be able to. I'm really afraid I'm gonna throw up.
Well, don't choke on it. Since you're laying down and all.
I think I just need a pop.
Did you ever lay on the floor, one head over here and one head over there, and talk to each other?
Oh, red, white, and blue.
Get down here, Megan.
And do what? I'm filming.
You're filming.
Me? You're on camera right now.
Candid camera. I want you to
No,
know.
Shirley.
I'm going to show you something.
Oh!